The projection screen is one of the numerous Photoshop add-ons available at panosfx.com. Download the projection screen actions from PanosFX. Then load the actions in Photoshop's Actions panel. Select the static action, and hit the play button to execute it. What you see on your screen is the area of the projection screen. In the next step, you may change its default size to your taste. Please make sure you maintain the proportions. To do so, do not click the chain icon. The action will create the image in a few seconds. In the next step, we'll create a shadow cast on the wall. Change the Gaussian blur radius to your liking. When you finish, hit OK to move on. The next step lets you modify the color of the background. Click on Continue. Move the three sliders, and observe how the background changes. Hit OK to confirm your settings. The execution of the action has been completed. Now, let's add some content to the projection screen. This is done differently in Photoshop and in Photoshop Elements. First, let's see how you can add your graphics in Photoshop. Photoshop Elements users can skip this part and move forward the video. Go to the Actions panel and double-click the thumbnail of the screen layer. A new document opens up in your work area. Here you can add your graphics, such as photos and text. To add a photo, select the menu Command File, Place Embedded. Select an image file from your hard disk. If necessary, resize the image proportionally to cover the background. You can drag the image to reposition it. Select the Text tool and add some text. You can add multiple text layers, or even multiple images in this step. When you finish, save your changes and close the document. This will update the content of the projection screen. Photoshop Elements doesn't support smart objects. Therefore, the addition of content to the projection screen is done slightly differently. When the action completes, the layer Place Photo here is selected. Go to the main menu, and select the command file, Place. Select a photo, and place it over the projection screen. Resize the photo proportionally, and reposition it to your preference. When finished, double-click to confirm. You can also select the Text tool and add your custom text to the screen. You can add multiple text layers, or even multiple photos, to the screen. Thank you very much for watching.